afternoon, guys, and welcome back to another video here in Pakistan, specifically in Islamabad. As you can tell, it's the evening time here during the prayer call. And in today's video, guys, we're actually gonna take you with us to get a full-on shoe repair and shoe cleaning. So I wanted to get the true local process, so we found the perfect guys to take us through this entire process. Right over here, we're gonna do it. So to get both of these done, to have them fixed, 150 per shoe? Both, all right. And how long will it take? Next? Oh, perfect. Shukriya, my friends. All right, we're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna get set up with a nice shoe shine here. So the process with this shoe repair slash shoe shine, we've gotta take these off, and then we're gonna go ahead and slide our feet right into here. Oh, those are some fresh looking ones. Maybe I'll just leave these back and take these with me. Comment below if you guys agree. And we've got that one off. We're gonna slide that one in just like that. And there we go. So you can see these ones need a full repair there, a full repair there, and then they're probably gonna need a solid cleaning on top. So we can do a cleaning too, like a shoe shine on them too, boss? Like a shukriya. And we can do a shoe on there too? Ah, shukriya, shukriya. And what's your good names? Zan. Zan? Mac. Abdullah. Abdullah. Great names. Nice to meet you both. Oh, perfect. We've got a seat here too. And here, so step number one, he took the little tool there. And this one's used for cutting? Yes. So they're taking the white string there. And so that's some sort of like rock to sharpen it. Oh, wow. So that's actually just taking like a normal piece of yarn here. And it must be smoothing out some of the pieces there. And what is this unit for? You could probably toss quite a few shoes on there and really fit them around the foot there. You guys are getting a repair over here? Yes. Ah, nice. How do they fit? All right, so as you can see here, it looks like we're popping the tool directly into the side of the shoe. Oh, we're straight up threading it. You see that, guys? Threading right inside of there. And it's basically gonna be stitched all the way around, and that's gonna hold the whole shoe together. So actually they're gonna be a whole new style here now, guys, because you can see how we have the string holding them together. This is great because I've actually had a couple pairs of these shoes, but every time I've returned home, I really like the style, so I've had to buy a new pair. But now that I know that I get these things repaired like this, and they're gonna be looking better than ever, I'm quite happy with that. How's Harry's shoes looking? You might need a repair too, bro.
Definitely need a clean, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely gonna need a cleaning. And wow, you can see how fast he's going. He's already halfway around it, or probably a third the way around it. Oh, and actually, we're going two at a time here. We've got the other shoe, so we've got the team here, and he's doing basically over here the same thing, where he's stitching the inside there, and you can see the grip there. And what are these tools for? That's some sort of like piece to puncture it. And then these are all like little pieces you can go ahead and just stick right on through there. Very nice. And he's using his toe right there to hold tightly onto the shoe. These things are going to be looking very nice. Shukriya, my friend. Shukriya. So they've got the full station, guys. You can do repair here. You can even, it looks like the brush over there, that's how you probably polish them clean. So we'll have them do that at the end, and that'll be looking quite nice. We got the hair man worn out over here.
Yeah, man. It's been a long day.
Yeah. So we've even got this thing's for polishing. Yeah, oh, very nice. So that'll clean off some of those like darker spots on there, guys. These shoes are going to be looking like brand spanking new shoes, so I'm very excited for that because like I said, they're my favorite type. So guys, we're getting the price for about 150 Pakistani rupees, which comes out to literally like $1 US, and that's both of them literally stitching the entire thing, cleaning it as well. It's a full-on experience here, and they gave us an honest price, which means they're gonna get a good reward. Wait for it. Keep watching the video till the end so you can see. We've got the spectators over here. And what's your good name?
Yeah, my name is Salim.
Salim, that's a great name.
Yes.
Yeah, good English too.
No English.
Oh, good English.
Yeah, good.
Tige English.
Yeah, both.
Yeah.
Really English.
Yeah, no, you're English. Your English is Tige. Yeah. And your names?
My name is Riaz Khan.
Riaz Khan. Good name too. Yeah. And you?
My name is Kabal Khan.
Kabal Khan.
Mansoor Khan.
Mansoor Khan. Yeah. Nice name too.
Funny name, Kabal Khan.
Good name, good name. Yeah, Tige name. You know, actually, guys, I got to give the credit to Harry because he's taught me a fair amount of the Urdu this trip.
I've basically got
his background. Check this out.
Got my background as some Urdu words.
Yeah, we've got the Aapke Sahain. We've got
Shukriya, Sab Theek Hai.
Sab Theek Hai. Yeah, everything's all right. Yeah, Sab Theek Hai. Yeah, these are looking nice in Sab Theek Hai. Yeah, exactly. And you guys got to watch out where you're getting your stuff taken care of here. We've got cars coming through. You can lose your ankles pretty easily, I'll tell you that. So watch your step when you're getting the cleaning. As you can see, the gentlemen are making good progress. They're already around to the other side here. So the threading is actually all along it and it's spinning around. Actually, it's going to be a race to see which one of the gentlemen have finished it first.
Rude word.
They're up to something over there. You can tell they're up to something. Exactly, Yar. Drop a comment with what he's saying.
Yeah, Chamyar is gooding. Is Chapal is gandling. The good polish. Shoes polish chumming.
Okay, very nice. Seems like they're teasing Harry. All right, and we're almost all the way around. Which one do you think is going to be done first? Yeah, but as you can see, they both got them gripped tightly between their toes. Oh, and that's how he uses the scissors. And Harry's guess was right. Our man right here was the one to finish it first. So now next step is to do the polishing. So we're dipping it right into this bucket. We're doing a proper cleaning. Oh, and that must be the white powder that gets the dirt off there. Maybe a little bleach in there. Actually, yeah, maximum bright. So that must mean there's some bleach in there because it looks like what you might use in a wash. It's quite enjoyable to watch that because, you know, these things were quite dirty. I didn't know if they had any life left in them. And these are going to be looking like they're fresh off the shop floor. Now that I know you can get them this clean. Oh, and we got number 2 done. Shukriya, my friend. That is looking quite good. Nice and clean. So we've got that one looking nice. And now we're doing the drying process over here. So the drying process means he's basically turning the muddy wetness into a bit more of a shine on there, isn't it? I know, literally brand new, bro. This is like a very, very thorough process. Oh, and over here, we're pulling out the threads. Oh, now we're putting the laces back through. I was hoping to try out using these scissors. Like, look at these things. They're like full-on snippers, and you got like all these different tools that go into it. Many different yards depending on the type of shoe, and a strong brush. These things are the cool ones though, because that's what pokes the hole right in between. And this one's coming along clean over here. And what is this thing for? Whoa, that looks like that could do some damage to a good pair of shoes. That could probably go through a pair of boots. Another one done. Perfect. Another shoe clean. Guys, this is such an interesting process to see how much like work actually goes into fully repairing them. Then on top of that, making them spick and span clean. As you can see, they're looking quite nice. Oh, we're doing the laces over here too. And those laces, guys, I don't know if you remember what the shoe looked like, but those things were nice and brown. So like to have them that clean again, it's going to be a really incredible process. I can't say the water is necessarily going to be the cleanest, but I can tell you they're going to look very clean. Probably not the water you'd want to be drinking, but as you can see, those laces are already looking much better. And that's how he wrings them out, gets all the water out. Very efficient process for that. And there we go, we're going to get all the dirtiness out of them. And you can already see they're much cleaner than they were before, that's for sure. Wow, just look at this, guys. Wow, 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 wow. I am just blown away by how much life these shoes actually still have left in them versus I thought they were pretty close to the end of their life. So as you can see, we even have bundles of sticks. We have other shoelace options there.
Hey bro.
Hey bro, salam alaikum yar.
Which is the name of your YouTube channel?
Salam alaikum. Ah yes, I have a business card just for you guys. Ready to go. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and notifications on, inshallah. Shukriya my yars. Goodbye. Yalla hafiz.
Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.
Allah hafiz. That's good Urdu, isn't it? Yeah, these guys are spectating. They're watching. Yeah, a good laugh, huh? So back to the process over here, guys. Wow, we've got this thing done. It is looking brand spanking new. Actually, we got to get a thumbnail. Oh, that is looking absolutely fantastic. And we've got the last lace going on that shoe. But look at this. These are like literally almost like brand new compared to what they looked like before. They were like black. I'm like, aren't you blown away, bro? Like these things were, I thought these shoes, the life of them was totally done. And now that I'm seeing them. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And guys, literally $1 to do this. $1 to like have these as pretty much a brand new pair of shoes.
Okay.
So they're done. Yeah? Perfect. Thank you very much. And how much?
300 rupees.
All right, 300 for the full process. All right. Let me try them on here. Let's try them on, guys, and see how they feel. Oh yeah. They're a little wet from the cleaning. Tighten them up. Get them ready. Oh yeah.
That's good.
We're feeling quite good.
Nice,
here.
nice.
That is looking absolutely fantastic. Oh baby, they're fitting like they're brand new.
Very okay.
Literally like they're brand new, bro. And we're balancing on one foot, as you guys can see here. It's a bit of a talent. And perfect. So 300?
Yes.
Perfect. Keep the change. Shukriya. Shukriya yar. Allah Hafiz. Great stuff. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna get mine done as well.
Oh, he's getting his done now too. No change. No change. No change. Shukriya yar.
I guess they could do mine included in your price.
Yeah, Harry's looking for the BOGO deal. So guys, I am feeling great here. We just got the shoes cleaned, and as you can see, they are looking quite nice, fresh and clean. And as always, I reward the honest people, which include our shoe cleaner guys who are working hard. They put so much time and effort. Salam alaikum, my friends. They put so much time and effort. Like guys, we were there for almost 30 minutes while they were making these shoes look perfect again. Yeah, you know, probably made their day. That in certain instances, I love to reward the hardworking people that are doing what they need to put their food on the table, and still as a tourist giving me a very true and honest price. So hope you guys enjoyed that process. It's a little bit short of a video, but I wanted to give you the full overview of what it is like to get your shoes cleaned here in Salam alaikum. Khaye, yes. What do we got going on up here? What do we got in here? Ah, good food? Yeah, very nice, very nice. Salam alaikum, yars. Whoa, we almost got ran over right there, guys. That was a close one, but we survived it. Anyways, guys, that is the entire process. We're gonna show you what Harry's look like too. We've got him doing a proper cleaning. Oh, we've got a new employee over here as they fix up Harry's shoes. Harry's shoes are coming along kind of nicely, huh?
Yeah.
Very nicely. The full shoe cleaning here. And we've got the Hairman with a fresh pair there, looking nice and clean. Oh, yeah, we're ready to take on the town, bro. How you feeling?
Feeling like $1 million.
Yeah, new man, new man. Yars, shukriya, Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Harry gave them 2,000 and I gave them 5,000. So guys, 5,000 is like $25 and they were charging like $1.50. So made their day, and hopefully we'll help them feed their families. And so guys, that's where we're gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you enjoyed coming for the shoe cleaning and shoe repair here in Islamabad. So if you've enjoyed that one, guys, make sure that like button below. And if you wanna see more videos both here in Pakistan and all around the world, hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.